Sound Recovery Center is conveniently located 45 minutes south of Seattle, Washington. When you or someone you care about needs an affordable Washington State treatment center, look no further than Sound Recovery. Sound Recovery provides the tools you need to treat addiction and to help identify the issues therein. We are here to help individuals and families afflicted with alcoholism and drug addiction get the support they need to complete their recovery process and begin to heal. Choose Sound Recovery for your Seattle rehab needs. Sound Recovery. People helping people.